my dear children. Today we are going through the word problems. First, write the question. Super Express has 624 seats. 128 seats are in AC coaches. How many seats are there in non-AC coaches? Read the question one more time. Super Express has 624 seats. 128 seats are in AC coaches. How many seats are there in non-AC coaches? Here you are given the total number of seats and the number of AC coaches. We want to find the number of non-AC coaches. The total number of seats means combine of AC coaches and non-AC coaches. So, the steps. First, you have to listen here carefully, then write the answer. First step is the total number of seats. What is total number of seats? Total number of seats is 624. What is next step? Next step is number of AC coaches. The number of AC coaches is 128. We want to find the number of non-AC coaches. Next step is number of non-AC coaches. To find the number of non-AC coaches, we want to subtract AC coaches from the total number of seats. That means 624 minus 128. Do this in your margin column. That means 624 minus 128. Starting from 1's place, here 4 is less than 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 4. So borrow 1 10 from the 10's place. Then 4 becomes 14 and 2 becomes 1. 14 minus 8. What is 14 minus 8? 14 minus 8 is 6. Moving on to next column. Subtract 2 tens from 1 tens. 1 is less than 2. Then borrow 100s from 600s. Then 1 becomes 11 and 6 becomes 5. Then 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. Moving to last column, 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? That is 4. Here answer is 496. Then number of non-AC coaches is 496. 496. Now write the notes. Moving on to next problem. Next word problem. Question. There were 8,725 people watching a match in a stadium. During a break, only 2,658 people remained in the stadium. How many people went out? One more time. There were 8,725 people watching a match in a stadium. During a break, only 2,658 people remained in the stadium. How many people went out? In this question, we have given the total number of people in the stadium and also given that the people remained in the stadium during a break. We want to find that how many people went out. So, first step. The first step, the total number of people. Total number of people in the stadium. What is the total number of people? 8,725. What is the next step? The next step is the number of people remained in the stadium. Number of people remained in the stadium. That is 2,658. 2,658. What is the next step? The number of people went out. Number of people went out. Number of people went out. So you want to subtract 2,658 from the total number of people in the stadium. That is from 8,725. That is 8,725 minus 2,658. Do this in your margin column. That is arranging column wise. 8,725 minus 2,658. Starting from 1's place. 5 is less than 8. So we want to borrow 110 from the 10's place. Then 5 becomes 15. And 2 becomes 1. 15 minus 8 is 7. Next column. 1 is less than 5. You want to borrow 100s from 700s. Then 1 becomes 11 and 7 becomes 6. 11 minus 5. What is 11 minus 5? 11 minus 5 is 6. Next column. 6 minus 6. Subtract a number from a same number. We get the answer is 0. Next column. Here 8 is greater than 2. Just subtract 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2 is 6. Then number of people went out. How many number of people? That is 6,067 people went out. Okay. Write the answer. Our chapter is over. In this chapter, we studied that some terms and properties. What is sign of subtraction? The sign of subtraction is minus. Then, what is minute? The number from which we subtract the other number is called minute. The next term is subtrahend. What is subtrahend? Subtrahend means the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. The next term is difference. What is difference? The answer of subtraction is called difference. The next is properties. The first property is when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same answer. Then that number itself. The second property is when we subtract a number from itself. That is a number minus same number. The answer is 0. In addition, we can change the order of the digits. But in subtraction, we cannot change the order of the digit. We only subtract a smaller number from a larger number. Then we have only 2 word problems. In page number 55, in 5th question, A and C only. A and C only. And also avoid page number 56. Avoid page number 56 and avoid page number 54. Avoid page number 54 and also page number 38. Page number 38. Avoid page number 38. Okay, that's all for today's class. Complete your notebooks and complete your textbooks. Study well. Be safe in your home. Thank you.